So about last night, I had a craving for my bread, and so, as I do, I had all my herbs, got a little turmeric, pepper, I'm adding some basil. Don't hate until you try it. It is super, super delicious. I'm going to get it all mixed in. I'm using my one hand action, but I got to dive in with the hand and knead this a little bit. And y'all, if you make this, I rarely buy bread anymore. This is so good for pizza, for all different types of things, sandwiches. So doggone good. So watch what's coming up. So I'm cutting it into little pieces, rolling it up, and I'm using a one hand action to show y'all how I try to keep that circle. But I do want it to be fairly thin, like so. But look at all those herbs, and y'all, this is the magic. That rosemary, avocado, garlic oil takes that bread to a whole nother level, y'all. Now sprinkle a little on top while it's cooking on the bottom. Watch the flip. But while that's cooking, this is what I'm going to have on top of it. And I love some olives. And if you don't know, if you got a good olive oil, health is wealth, y'all. Health is wealth. Don't hate to the process. Look at that. Look at that. It is so doggone good. Yeah, I'm adding some tomatoes, and I'm adding my herbs to it. Got me some fresh basil in there. Look at that olive oil. That right there, just go and get it. And then I'm going to cover that up. Stir it in there really, really well. And the flavor, yeah, dice up a little bit of cucumbers in that, cashew cheese, plant-based. And I add some pumpkin seeds to it. Don't hate till you try it. And then I get my bread ready. It's all warm and hot. I try to cut it into little shapes or little triangles, whatever works. Because what I'm going to do with it, it's going to be absolutely delicious. I got some smoked salmon too. Look at this, y'all. Look at it.